Looking like it might be a tough afternoon for Jeremy Chardy. 3-love Murray opening set.
Well, Murray's in a good mood today. He's not trying anything stupid. He's got his mind on the job. Concentration level's been
It's another one of those tosses that looked to be too far behind and left, but
14-15.
he still gets
over there to flatten it out.
Yeah,
that way.
Gets good pace, so chance to get on the board.
Love 14.
It's a nice slice backhand, this one here from Chardy. It skids through, and even Murray couldn't get it up and down cross court the way he wanted. Love 40.
He yelled.
So Chardy breaks serve. Well, relieved Murray there, I think, because there was a little hiccup along the way. Nevertheless, the first set going the way of the Scot. 6-4 and 44. How quickly things can turn around. Murray, a good game there. 2-1 for the break in the second. Building pressure consistently now, Murray returning serve well, and now up double break.